Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and these are the ISOtunes PRO Aware headphones. If at your place of work there's always a lot of noise, that can really hurt your ears, and that's why these headphones are perfect for that. My favorite part about them is that even though they're noise canceling headphones, they have this technology that allows you to be aware of your surroundings, which I think it's super important when you're working. And the cool thing is that it has buttons, so you can choose how aware you want to be at work. Of course, depending on what you do, maybe you want to listen to your surroundings a little bit more or a little bit less. The headphones are very good quality. They're very sturdy, which is very important if you work in construction, if you work with power tools. They're very sturdy, very strong, so they'll last you a long time. So if you're looking for a pair of headphones that are noise canceling but still allow you to be aware of your surroundings, I really recommend this ones by ISOtunes, and that is my point of view.